Hey guys, welcome back to the Colin channel. Today we're exploring what's new with iOS 18, experience-wise, battery life-wise, and see when the next beta is coming out. So I'm very sorry that for the lack of the week 3 is because that this past week I was spending some time with my family all weekend because my aunt has visited us from all the way from California. So yeah. Sorry about that, but let's just put all that stuff aside and just let's talk about the iOS 18. So the experience wise on my iPhone 13 mini is pretty good. I'm not experiencing that many slowdowns or bugs that much, and I would say the other things as well is pretty good, like scrolling through things, looking through eBay, Amazon, YouTube. It's actually a pretty good experience so far, and we'll see if it's gonna hold up for the next beta next week. So next is iOS 18 battery life. So if you go to settings, go to general, battery health and charging. I'm at 94% battery health. So this is my average for the past 10 days. It's 3 hours and 9 minutes for screen on time, 1 hour and 8 minutes screen off time. So there are very good days over here, and some are not. So looking at Thursday, we got 3 hours, 27 minutes of screen on time. The next day, I have 4 hours and 49 minutes, and I was using 100% of my battery. And on Saturday, last Saturday, I had 4 hours and 17 minutes of screen out time, and I was using 100% of my battery again. And then the next day I was using 90% of my battery, and 4 hours and 22 minutes of screen on time. 2 hours and 12 minutes of screen on time on Monday. And then this is actually my best day right here. It's 5 hours and 6 minutes, and I was using like 95% of my battery. And next day it's not as good. 2 hours and 15, 1 hour 55, and today is 48 minutes, and I was using like 11% of my battery. That's the battery for the past 10 days. And next we're going to the iOS 18 beta 5 release. So it's either gonna be on Monday or Tuesday of next week, so make sure you keep that in mind. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you really want to, subscribe to the channel because it helps out the channel. You love to help out the channel, and please help me reach my goal to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I would really appreciate you guys. Anyway, so thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.